Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be creating this look. So if you want to learn how I created this look, then let's keep on watching. The palette that I'm going to be using is Salvaje by beckyg and ColourPop Cosmetics. Using is Caramelo and a little bit of Cafecito. So I'm gonna use those two colors for today. Next color that I'm going to be using is this gold color, and it is Corona. I'm going to grab Cafecito and I'm gonna use this side of the brush. I'm gonna go back with Cafecito and use this flat brush, and I'm going to make kind of like a wing liner. For my under eye, I'm going to use Caramelo. And I'm gonna go back with Cafecito and just make that a little bit more tighter. For contour, I'm going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, and I'm gonna go with the color Fawn. For blush, I'm going to be using Essence Blush Up on the color Heat Wave. For lashes, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Volumeous Curve brush. I don't know if it happens to everyone, but one thing that I've always noticed is that when I put mascara on, my lashes goes down very quickly. Like, they don't stay up. Like, I don't understand why. And I've seen like people, they put the mascara on and their lashes like stays curled up. Not mine. I don't know why. So the only trick that I do is that I put the mascara on and I let it dry for a couple minutes and I curl them again. And that's the only way that my lashes will stay curled up with mascara. So I don't know if I'm doing something wrong or my lashes are just like rebel that just go boop, they just go down. So if you guys, or if you ladies have any tricks on the lashes and how they can stay up, leave me a comment below because I need some help. All right, so meanwhile, I let these dry for a second. The star of the night is going to be the highlighter. I'm going to be using Fenty Beauty's Trophy Wife highlighter. Oh my god, you guys, look at that. Girl. For my lips, I'm going to be using I Love Sarai lip gloss with ColourPop Cosmetics, number 951. We're going to curl the lashes. This is the only way that they can stay curly, is just by going over it when it's dry. right, so now my lashes are curled. They're gonna stay like this. All right, so this is the final look for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click that bell notification. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. I hope you guys enjoy this Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye.